Assalamu alaikum students, please let me in the other students please. I am entering them one by one in order to check their IDs. Please be vigilant, be patient as well. Please take your literature books out from your bag. It is requested to you all, please write your proper name, okay? Your first name and your second name. Write your proper name. Please do not use any symbol in your names. While writing down your name, please actually we need to mark your attendance according to your name, and please enter and please try to join the Zoom with your original name, with your own name. Do not use your father name in your IDs. Please remember that. I will not allow anybody else with his or her father's name, because we cannot trace you out, we cannot filter your name while marking your attendance. Please be careful while joining the class and make sure that you are joining uh, the class with your proper name. Your ID should be with your proper name. I am saying to you all are included in this instruction. Please follow them. From now to onwards, I will not allow anybody else without using his or her own name. Okay, you are only allowed to use your own name, your first name or your second name. If there is two Fatima, three Fatima, so there must be the second name. Two Hassan Hussein, two Hassan, three Hassan, so there must be the second name, their father name as well. Okay. Most of you guys were asking me about the scene 1 to 2, the work of the scene 1 and 2. So I arranged the work for you for from scene 1 and 2. This is the, you may say, the revision of scene 1 and 2. The work we will discuss only the notebook work. Okay, so this is uh, you can tell me in chat if you have visibility of this. Okay, this is the word meaning chart. I want you all, but who else did not complete their work of scene 1 and 2, they can complete right now. Yes, most of you have done, but I was receiving a number of texts in my WhatsApp number. Sir, please let us know about the scene 1 and 2. So that is why I thought that I have to discuss them in the classroom. We will discuss how to do summary. Okay, this is the word meaning of. Uh, this is the word meaning from scene 1 to scene uh, 2. Ratchet, unpleasant, happy, unhappy. Yes, some meanings are long, but they are not. They all are not long. Only except the goody goody. Okay, just in order to understand, make you understand. I want you all to please write down, note down in your notebook. This is a limited work you can do right now. This is the limited work you can do right now. Yes, we will discuss. First, complete the word meaning as well. Pacing up and down, walking back and forth, as in fear, anger, anxiety, and frustration. Goody goody, a person who behaves very well to please people uh, in authority, such as parents, teachers, a, slash a teacher's pet. Fox, people in general, maniacally, wildly, violently. Okay, any question regarding this word meaning? Yes. You may ask right now.
सर
Yes.
ये आपने जो वर्ड्स मीनिंग दिए हैं वो किस सीन से किस तक है वन
Acha,
से
remember that this is the prior work, preceding work, okay, which you have done with your Miss Asma. But you all were asking me regarding this work. That is why I am discussing here. Scene 1 and 2.
सर मैंने आपको गूगल क्लासरूम में होमवर्क भेजा है, आपने चेक नहीं किया।
Yes, I will check. I will check. Okay.
और सर ये इसके हमने जो सीन 1-3 के कर भी लिए हैं और आपने वो 6 to 10 के करवाए थे।
Scene.
सर बात सुने सर, गूगल हैंगआउट किस तरह से भेजे, गूगल क्लासरूम किस तरीके से भेजे?
What are you talking about? Google Classroom.
यस सर।
क्या? What do you want to send? Your
सर
work.
आपने काम, यस सर।
Just take a picture of your work. Okay. Okay. Then
Yes,
convert.
sir, if I'm
Convert.
in laptop, sir, if I'm in laptop,
You are working with your. You are working. You completing your work in your laptop.
नो सर। मैं सर आपको किस तरीके भेजूँ सर, क्योंकि लैपटॉप पे किस तरीके आपको भेजूँ? मोबाइल का
बेटा
तो मैं स्मार्ट में बता दिया था।
first you need
But
to
sir, I am working with
take
my
the
desktop.
screenshot, the picture of that particular work. Then you need to convert this picture into the PDF form. Then you need to submit in the Google Classroom. Okay.
Sir, where have you sent the Google Classroom's ID?
Beta, we can discuss this all thing in the WhatsApp.
Banana.
In WhatsApp.
Sir, okay, sir, but I want to ask that, sir, these word meaning of scene 1 and 2 that Miss Asma has given us are too long. And sir, I have done.
Sir, I wanted to ask that, sir, we have to write the summary of scene 1 till 2.
1 till 5. Then
5, then
uh, then 6 till 10. Okay.
Sir, we have to write that
Yes.
1 till 5 and 6
Yes.
till 10.
How long? How many of you have completed the work from scene 1 and 2?
Sir, me. I did it.
Sir, I did it.
Sir, me,
Okay.
Sir,
I
I
did
did it too.
Sir, me, I did complete
Okay.
it.
Very good. Very good.
Completed.
Sir, I did it from
Okay.
6.
Okay. Let me say. Please listen to me. Whoever did not complete their work, please complete right now. Okay. This is this is only for
Okay, sir.
their convenience. Okay.
Sir, can I ask you a question?
One
Sir,
by
can I
one.
ask you a
One by
question?
one. There. Then otherwise, I will mute you all.
Okay, sir.
One by
Sir,
one.
can I ask?
Yes.
Sir?
Yes. Ask me question.
Sir, are you talking about word meaning and question answers or summary?
This is I'm talking about the word meaning and question answer, not summary
Sir,
right now.
we will do. Sir,
This
we will do summary.
These are the questions and answers. But I am
Sir,
not
we will do
right
summary.
now. Right now, I am not talking about the summary. Anything else? Did I say Did I say anything else about the summary? No, I did not say anything else about the summary. I am just talking about the word meaning and the question answer of the scene 1 and 2. So please concentrate over scene 1 and 2 right now, please.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Yes.
I have done the work of Miss Asma.
Very good. Very good. This is the question number 1.
the answer of this?
Yes, question number 1.
Sir, can you give the answer?
Yes, question number 1, answer of question number 1. Then we will discuss the right answer.
He was worried about the new foster girl which was coming to the house as he thought she would be a spy in their own house.
Okay.
Sir,
She
can
would
I
be
give the answer of question number 2?
Yes. Give, please, sure.
Sir, he thought that Dinah was a teacher's pet and could be easily hypnotized by the headmaster.
Okay. Okay, question number 3. Anyone else can add the answer of question number 2?
Sir, can I? Sir, can I?
You discuss and accept you.
Sir, can I give the answer of question number 3?
Yes, give please.
Because Dinah is
What was the challenge did Eddie give to the audience?
Yes.
He gave the challenge Eddie gave to the audience. Why?
large.
Custard and best of all, the great school quiz.
Yes. Please, one by one.
Sir, are these questions of scene 1 and 2?
Scene 1 and 2. These all are from scene 1 and 2. Please stop discussing.
Sir, you have done the words meaning of scene 1 and these are the question of scene 2.
Yes, these are the word meaning of the scene 1. Okay.
Where are the words meaning of scene 2?
Sir, please show the
1 and 2.
answers.
1 and 2. We are discussing you may say that together scene 1 and 2.
Okay, I got
Okay.
it. They are mixed.
Sir, show the
Yes.
answers.
Yes, I am making you show the answer.
Sir, they are so much
Yes.
easier.
These are the answers. Okay, she thought that she might be no. He thought that she might be normal, who would be another goody goody and a spy in their own house. Okay, this is the answer of the question number first. Uh, when I have unmuted you, also, why are you asking me in chat? Okay, question number two. As you can see, the question number two here. Lloyd called Diana goody goody. Explain why. So for Lloyd, Diana was one of the Norman who might be headmaster's pet, working to please him. That is why. Okay, question number third. Have you done with the question number two? Whoever has completed their work, this is also for them. Please check their answer as well. This is for all of you. All of you. Okay. Have you done the question number two with its answer? Please reply me on chat. Please answer me. Shall I move forward? Question number three. Okay, this is the question number three. What challenge did Addy give to the audience? That defying high wire with custard. This is the high wire walk. Okay. Yes. Please respond me on chat. Yes, there was also a quiz. Okay. The dead defying high wire walk with custard. I have only discussed a single answer. He thought that she might be normal, who would be another goody goody and is a spy in their own house. This is the answer only, not second answer. And I have not discussed any second answer. Okay, so we are moving forward. Uh, I think I hope that there will be no questions and no query about the scene one and two, because I have discussed right now here in the classroom. Okay, so this is the scene one, scene 11 place. Uh, Okay, these are some questions about scene 11. Before moving forward, the scene 11, I want to tell you about the scene. Just I want to give you uh, the review of scene 11. Scene 11 basically takes place in the classroom. Okay, Rose. There were Rose and uh, many and the normals, all the students, Harvey and Lloyd as well as. Okay, uh, Rose tells Harvey as the scene starts. Rose tells Harvey that you are 2 minutes and 12 seconds late. Okay, Harvey excuses her and he goes back and sit down and he whispers to Lloyd that they are not watching a movie. They are just sitting like a zombie. Okay, and they all are listening to the head. So this is uh, Rose tells this is uh, the answer. The you may say that this is all Harvey explored when he sneaked away in order to look at the assembly that what was going on in the assembly. So he found that, he explored that, and he came back to the classroom and he told the Lord about that they are not watching the movie. They all were listening to the head and just sitting like the zombie. After that, after hearing to Harvey, Lloyd got surprised, and he says that what Harvey says, it is I am honestly saying to you that it is the reality. So Lloyd decided that we would ask Dinah on the way to home. Okay, then scene the scene 12 uh, takes place when they all were going to the home. Okay, it was on the way. It takes place on the way home. Lloyd says to the Dinah that please hurry up if you want to go with us. Okay, uh, Harvey. Then Lloyd uh, was very much anxious to ask about the assembly to Dinah that what was going on. So he asked Dinah that what did you do in the assembly? So Dinah replied. Dana replied Lloyd that we saw a film. Then Lloyd gives Harvey a significant look because Harvey and Lloyd they both know about the reality. What is the reality? But hypnotically, Dinah was telling a lie. So that is why that is why Lloyd got very much confused and gave a significant look to Harvey. Dinah when she was asked more about the that what was the film about when Lloyd said that she replied that it was a film about ants. It was very interesting movie. We saw how they build their nest and how they look after their eggs. Lloyd then with the frustration see he says he exclaimed ha. Okay, then Harvey uh, uh, talked to Dinah that what else happened. Dinah, I don't remember. As the head says, if anybody asks you asks more about the assembly, then says that I don't remember. So Lloyd, then again Lloyd asks the question, did the head talk to you afterward? Diana again replied that she don't remember that. She doesn't remember that. Lloyd, well, Then Lloyd, with the frustration, he says that you are either very much fool, you are either very much silly, or you are a liar. Angrily, Diana say that, what do you mean by saying that? Harvey excuses excuses about the Lloyd. Then he says that I sneaked away in order to find out what is going on in the assembly. Okay, I just saw that there were the lights. The lights were not switched off. There were no projector. There were no curtains. Okay, there were no screen. Whatever I have seen over there. So how did you see the movie? So Dinah then asked to Harvey that, what did you see? Harvey said that the head was only talking to you that, and you all were repeating. So afterwards, Dinah got confused, and she said that there must be something wrong, something fishy in the school is going on, and she decided that she would find out, she would sort it out, what else is happening in the school. Okay. So I have just given you a short review about scene 1, scene 11 and 12. So right now coming towards the questions of scene 1, scene 11 and scene 12. These are some questions of scene 11. Today we are not discussing about the work of the scene 11 and 12. We are this is a sort of explanation of scene 11 and 12 and the classroom discussion. Okay, in the next class we will discuss the question and answers. Okay, I want you guys please participate in these questions. Please make sure to.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Very good. We are running out of time. We are having less than 10 minutes. So please read the question number 1 and by yourself and start giving the answer.
Where
Can I
does the
answer
scene
it?
take place?
One by one. Okay.
Sir, can I
If any,
answer?
yes, you can.
Can
Please
I
read
answer?
Where does
read the
where
question
does the
first.
scene
Where
take
does the
place?
scene take place?
Does the scene take place in
Sir,
the room?
If Acha, please let me say.
sir, can you answer the
Let me say one thing.
Place in the
Please realize
classroom
that.
where the
Please.
normals have their class.
Beta, please, Laiba, please be quiet. Please realize that if anybody is saying, if anybody is responding, it is your duty to be quiet. Okay, it is your prime duty, prime concern to be quiet, and ethically you should be quiet. Let anybody let her speak first, then there will be your turn.
Sir, Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum
sir,
salam.
can I?
Sir, the scene 11 take place in the classroom.
Very good. Question number
Sir,
2.
can I
Can I
answer the next question?
Sir, can I
Yes,
answer question number 2?
Sir, can I answer question number 2?
yes,
Sir,
you
can I
answer.
answer?
He whispered.
Rose said to Harvey that you are 2 minutes and 12 seconds late.
Very good. Okay.
Sir, can I answer the third question?
Yes,
Sir, I wanted to answer the third question.
They were
you will be
watching
answering
films.
for the 4
They were
questions.
sitting like zombies listening to the head.
Okay. Yes. Now you. Question number 4.
What does Lloyd decide to do on the way home?
Sir, can I answer?
You
He
have given
decide
the
to
answer,
ask.
please.
Sir, I did not.
I can tell the answer.
Just give the answer.
Sir, he decided that he and Lloyd will ask Dinah on the way home.
Okay. I've changed the student. Scene 11, I have taken the answer from a different student, and now I will be taking the answer from the different students. Okay. Yes, Shazib Ali, can you hear me? Junaid Shakir, can you hear me? Saad and Shanze, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Please wait a minute. But Saad and Shanze, there is too much noise when I unmute you both. I think there may be a problem with your headphone, with your mic. Okay, scene 11, the first answer, where does the scene take place? So in the classroom, Rose intimates. This is the answer of question number 2. Question number 2, Rose intimates Harvey that he is 2 minutes and 12 seconds late. Number 2, question number 3, Harvey whispers that they are not watching movie, they are just sitting like zombies and listening to the head. Question number 4, answer to the question number 4, Lloyd decide to ask Dinah on the way home. Okay, you have given a right answer, you all have given. This is the question number sorry, scene number 12. Okay. Where does the scene take place?
Sir, the scene takes place on the way home.
On the way home. Very good. And question number 2, what does Lloyd say to Dinah?
Lloyd tells her to hurry up if she wants
Hurry
to
up
go
if you.
with them.
Okay, if he wants to go, please hurry up. Okay, then question number 3,
She said that they watched a film, saw a film.
what does Dinah reply when she was asked about the assembly?
That they watched the film.
Okay, what does Dinah reply when she is asked about the assembly?
Yes, she said we watched a film.
Replied that they saw a film.
Again, please. It is it is my humble request to you all. Please, if anybody is saying, if anybody is answering, please be quiet. You all. Yes, I cannot hear you at all. Please again give the answer of question number 3.
Diana replied that we saw a film.
Replies that
We saw a film.
she saw a film. Okay. Question number 4.
Sir, can I answer?
Yes, you can.
Why does Lloyd give Harvey a significant look with Dinah? He had a doubt, as he had a doubt on Dinah that she was lying.
Okay.
Then may I answer question number 5?
Yes, you may. Please read. Please give the answer of question number 4 again.
Sir,
Why does Lloyd give Harvey a significant look? Why did when Dinah says she has watched the movie?
sir, can I answer?
Yes, you can answer.
Sir, Lloyd gives Harvey a significant look as they both knew what had happened in the assembly rather than Dina lying.
Okay, very good. Go ahead, please. Question number 5. For the question number 5.
What does Diana tell Lloyd and Harvey about the movie?
Yes,
It was a film about ants and it was very interesting. We saw how they build their nests and how they look after their eggs.
very good. Next question.
Sir, can I answer?
Yes, you can.
Sir, Harvey tells Diana that they were all that they were sitting like zombies in the assembly and repeating what the headmaster.
Yes. What
Sir,
does?
can I answer?
Yes, you can.
Sir Harvey said that I sneaked out of class this afternoon and looked into the hall. There was no screen, no projector, no sign of a film.
Very
And the
good.
head was talking and you all were repeating it back.
Yes, they all were just repeating the had. Okay, so